Hello dear nursing officer, there is a good news for AIIMS NORCET qualified candidate. Information brochure for application and allocation of an institute will released by the AIIMS. For that, you have to visit the AIIMS official website. Then you have to log in by fill up your candidate ID and password. After you log in the page, this page is open in front of you. Here you can see the online application and institute allocation. So you have to click here. Okay. Once you click in this page is open in front of you. Here the total procedure for a AIIMS allocation are discussed. Okay. Here the procedure takes place in a 3 stage. First stage, application for a post in an institute as per NORCET rank. So here you have to choose the multiple AIIMS according to your preference. You can choose one or more AIIMS according to your preference. Okay. Then in a second stage, offer of a post in an institute. So in a second stage, according to your NORCET rank, the AIIMS will be offer a post. Okay. And in the third stage, acceptance and reporting by the candidate. And in the third stage, if you accept the offer by the AIIMS, then you have to accept and reporting by the candidate. So this procedure takes place in a 3 stage. This one is information for a apply for an institute in order to preference. Okay, you should apply in between 7 November to 20 November. Okay, if you apply after 20 November, then your application should not be accepted. Okay, here you can see the seat position for a female and male candidate for a various AIIMS. Okay, here you can see the seat position for a male and female candidate to the various AIIMS institute. Okay, so according to this, you have to choose your AIIMS preference. This one is the list of apply institute in order to preference. Okay, here total 16 institutes are present. You have to choose according to your preference. Okay, from the various institute, AIIMS institute, you can choose according to your preference. You can choose multiple AIIMS institute. Okay. Once you selected, you have to save and next. Once you select the institute as according to your preference, this page is open in front of you. This one is a declaration form. First one is I declare that I have applied for an institute allocation on the basis of NORCET rank and as eligibility in the institute where I wish to join if allocated. Okay. Second one is I understand that once I submit and log my apply institute in order to preference, it cannot be changed at any stage in the future. And third one is I also understand that institute allocation is a subject to verification of eligibility and the original document as per rules applicable. Then fourth one is I have read the advertisement information brochure for institute allocation, all published notice and addendums and corrigendums. Okay. Then fifth one is I understand that I have to exercise option as described in an information brochure within given time slot, and any delay on my part will lead to a forfeit of my rights on my seat. Okay, if you make any delay, okay, if you not submit your application before 20 November, then seat is reserved by another candidate. Then I also understand that all communication will be made in online mode via email and SMS on my registered email ID and mobile. And AIIMS New Delhi is not responsible for any delay in accessing and delivery email and SMS. Okay. So all information should be sent on your registered mobile number and email ID. So if you want to change your registered number and register mobile number and email ID, then hurry up, please change in this stage only. Okay. And once you read all the declaration statement, you should put the click mark and you should click on the proceed. This one is a information brochure for a AIIMS allocation process. Okay. First stage, you have to log in a my page. Then access the portal for allocation of an institute, and you should apply for an institute of your choice or of your preference. You can select one or many institutes. Okay, this one is a stage 1. Then stage 2, offer for an institute. You should logging in my page, then access the portal for allocation of an institute and a list of offer institute as per application, note set rank and reservation eligibility and vacancy. Okay, so आप आपने जिस एम्स में अप्लाई किया होगा तो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नोट सेट रैंक, अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिजर्व्ड सीट and according to eligibility, the AIIMS will offer the selected AIIMS. Okay, and in third stage, this one is the acceptance and reporting. If you accept that yes, I want this AIIMS institute, then you should accept and reporting for that particular AIIMS. Okay, then you should upload the document and report to institute. So this one is the AIIMS allocation process. Okay, it done in a three stage. थर्ड स्टेज में आपके पास दो ऑप्शन आएंगे. ऑप्शन 1, यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट एंड विश टू रिपोर्ट एंड ज्वाइन इन द इंस्टीट्यूट. ओके, सो ऑप्शन 1 में आप इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो, आप फर्दर राउंड में अपीयर नहीं होना चाहते तो आपको ऑप्शन 1 टिक करना है. और ऑप्शन 2 में एक्सेप्ट एंड वांट टू पार्टिसिपेशन इन अ सब्सिक्वेंट राउंड, और आप नेक्स्ट राउंड में अपीयर होना चाहते हो तो आपको ऑप्शन 2 सिलेक्ट करना है. ओके, अगर आप ऑप्शन 1 सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो तो आपको फॉलोइंग प्रोसीजर करनी है, लाइक अपलोड एंड स्कैन कॉपी ऑफ एप्लीकेबल सर्टिफिकेट एज पर लिस्ट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट मेंशन ऑन इंस्टीट्यूट एलोकेशन पोर्टल विद इन द 7 days ऑफ एक्सेप्टिंग द ऑप्शन 1. जैसे ही आप ऑप्शन 1 एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हो, आपके पास विद इन 7 days लिस्ट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट आ जाएगी और आपको वो अपलोड करना है. ओके, अपलोड एनी एडिशनल सर्टिफिकेट एज डिजायर्ड बाय द एलोकेटेड इंस्टीट्यूट. ओके, देन subsequent verification, reporting, joining and other related process will be instructed by the specific institute concerned as per applicable rules. Okay, and reporting date and time will be intimated by the respective nodal office of the allocated institute. So अगर आप ऑप्शन फर्स्ट सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो, आप पर्टिकुलर एम्स में ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो तो आपको ये प्रोसीजर फॉलो करनी है. और अगर आप ऑप्शन सेकंड सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो कि आप एक्सेप्ट भी कर रहे हो एम्स में और आपको सेकेंड राउंड में अपीयर भी होना है, तो इसके लिए आपको ₹25,000 डिपॉजिट जो रिफंडेबल है वो ये गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन में आपको ट्रांसफर करना है. ठीक है, और वो रिफंडेबल है. ठीक है, आप RTGS और एनी FT ट्रांजेक्शन कर सकते हो. ठीक है, सो दिस वन इज अ प्रोसीजर फॉर अ candidate who select the option 2. This one is the list of required document. Okay, first one is the result percentile secured by the candidate for the nursing officer recruitment common eligibility test 2020. Okay, then copy of download registration slip of online application form. So first one is a result of a NORCET 2020, second one is a registration slip, third one is a admit card, fourth one is a certificate which shows your date of birth, then fifth one is a caste certificate. Okay, sixth one is a disability certificate if apply, then seventh one is a certificate from the competent authority in a case where the age relaxation has been sought for the basis other than caste. Okay, then eighth one is a no objection certificate, then ninth one is a education qualification certificate including mark sheet of all nursing career, and then 10th and 12th mark sheet. Then 10th one is a INC State Nursing Council registration certificate, 11th number is a experience certificate, and 12th number is any other certificate if you require by the respective AIIMS. Okay, so this one is a list of required document for a NORCET 2020.